Join me as I dive into the latest TTD stock analysis and see if I can make sense of all the numbers and trends right now. Trade Desk stock, or TTD, is one of the most talked about stocks in today's market, and for good reason. It's been on a tear lately, and investors are eager to know what's driving its performance. The current landscape for TTD isn't without its challenges, though. As a digital advertising platform, it's facing intense competition from industry giants like Google and Facebook. These behemoths have vast resources and established networks, making it tough for Trade Desk to gain traction. Add to that the uncertainty surrounding global economic conditions, which can impact consumer spending and, by extension, advertising budgets. Furthermore, the ongoing pandemic has accelerated the shift towards e-commerce, which is forcing brands to rethink their advertising strategies, and that means TTD needs to adapt quickly. Finally, the increasing scrutiny on data privacy and security is another hurdle the company needs to navigate, as it relies heavily on data-driven advertising solutions. To make matters more complicated, TTD has struggled with consistency in its revenue growth, which has led to some volatility in its stock price. This has made investors nervous, as they're unsure of what to expect from the company's future performance. As a result, TTD's stock has been on a bit of a roller coaster ride, making it difficult for investors to make informed decisions. Despite these challenges, TTD has been working hard to address these concerns. For instance, the company has expanded its partnership with major brands, which should help drive revenue growth. Additionally, its focus on providing transparent and data-driven advertising solutions has resonated with clients. This has led to some impressive earnings reports, which have helped ease investor concerns. When we take a closer look at recent trends and analyst ratings, we can see that TTD has been getting a lot of attention from the investment community. Many analysts have upgraded their ratings, citing the company's improving fundamentals and promising growth prospects. However, some remain cautious, given the ongoing competition and macroeconomic headwinds. One key trend that's caught my attention is the increasing adoption of TTD's platform by major brands. This speaks to the company's ability to innovate and provide value to its clients, which should drive long-term growth. Furthermore, the growing demand for digital advertising solutions is undeniable, and TTD is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. What's more, TTD has made some savvy strategic moves, such as its acquisition of AdBrain, which should help it expand its offerings and stay competitive. And with its strong balance sheet, the company has the resources to invest in research and development, ensuring it stays ahead of the curve. But here's the thing, despite all these positives, I think there's still a major misconception about TTD's growth potential. Many investors assume that the company's best days are behind it, and that the easy money has already been made. I disagree. I think TTD has a lot more room to run, especially as the digital advertising landscape continues to evolve. In fact, I believe TTD's stock could be on the cusp of a major breakout, driven by its improving fundamentals, growing demand for its services, and the company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions. Of course, this isn't a guarantee, but I think the odds are in TTD's favor, and that's why I'm excited to see how this plays out. To recap, we've discussed the challenges facing TTD, from market competition to economic uncertainty, as well as the company's efforts to address these concerns. We've also explored the recent trends, analyst ratings, and strategic moves that are shaping the company's future. And I've shared my take on why I think TTD's stock could be poised for a major breakout. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on TTD or the digital advertising landscape, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about stock investing strategies, be sure to check out my previous video on the topic.